Get ready for February 2025 with 10 must-watch K-dramas. From thrilling plots to heartwarming romances, there's something for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 10. Four Eagle Brothers. Four Eagle Brothers is an upcoming South Korean television series as a family drama. In the drama, at 45, a lively and determined single woman finally gets married, only to tragically lose her husband just 10 days later. Now, she must take the reins of the family's renowned beverage company and become the provider for her four brothers-in-law, each with their own unique and quirky personalities. As she struggles to juggle her new responsibilities, her infectious energy keeps her going strong. In the midst of it all, she crosses paths with a wealthy and lonely president who lost his wife 15 years ago. Two opposites, both shaped by loss, discover in each other a chance to start anew. Number 9. Kick 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 Kick. Kick 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 is an upcoming South Korean sitcom office comedy television series. In the drama, a former popular actor and a once famous director, both of whose careers were shaken by scandals, join forces to launch the Kick 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 company production house. Despite their rocky pasts, they embark on a shared mission to gain 3 million YouTube subscribers. With an eccentric team that includes a workplace therapist and a workaholic determined to achieve success, their journey evolves into a chaotic and hilarious office comedy full of unexpected challenges and laughter. The premiere in Korea is set for February 5. Number 8. The Scandal of Chunhwa. The Scandal of Chunhwa is an upcoming South Korean historical romance television series starring Go Ara, Chang Ryul, and Kang Chan-hee. In a fictional kingdom, the youngest princess of the royal family shocks everyone by deciding to choose her own husband. Leaving the palace, she embarks on a journey to find suitable suitors and track down the mysterious artist behind a provocative collection of paintings portraying her in a sensual light. Among the men she encounters is a wealthy and charming merchant whose reputation as a flirt hides a little-known secret. Determined, the princess finds herself torn between his allure and the expectations of royal tradition, as fate intertwines their lives in unexpected ways. This historical drama has been rated for mature audiences due to its bold scenes. The premiere in Korea is set for February 6. Number 7. Newtopia. Newtopia is an upcoming South Korean romantic fantasy and zombie comedy television series starring Park Jang-min and Jisoo. When a mysterious virus turns Seoul into a zombie battleground, two young people fight to survive while trying to reunite. A soldier on duty, anxious about the future and uncertain in his relationship, asked his girlfriend for a break just before the outbreak. Heartbroken but determined, she risks her life to cross the zombie-infested city in search of him. While he faces his fears leading a squad amid the chaos, she discovers a strength she never knew she had. In a story filled with action and moments of sharp humor, they must overcome zombies, dangers, and their own doubts to rediscover what truly matters. The premiere is on the 7th, streaming on Prime Video. Number 6. Friendly Rivalry. Friendly Rivalry drama story is at one of Korea's most prestigious schools, where competition for admission to top universities is fierce and ruthless. A young girl transferred from an orphanage finds herself caught in a web of intrigue and mysteries. She grows close to one of the most powerful and influential students, developing a friendship that quickly turns into a dangerous relationship marked by obsession and manipulation. However, she soon discovers that behind her new friend's perfect facade lies dark secrets and a connection to her father's suspicious death, who was involved in creating the university entrance exam questions. Amid power plays and rivalries, she must confront her own desires and the perils of being in the academic elite. The premiere is set for the 10th. Number 5. Buried Hearts. This drama promises an intense revenge thriller that follows the clash between a hacker who steals 2 trillion won from an illegal political fund to survive, using his skills to take down those in power, and an influential figure behind the scenes who loses the fortune after committing a murder, unaware that he was hacked. On one side, we have a man determined to expose corruption and destroy the system that ruined his life, and on the other, a powerful leader who will stop at nothing to recover his money and maintain absolute control over both his allies and enemies. In a showdown where ambition and survival collide, only one will emerge victorious. The premiere is on the 14th. Number 4. Mellow Movie. In drama, a young assistant director, driven by the desire to follow in her father's footsteps in the film industry, sees her life change when a former actor, now a film critic, crosses her path. Both carry scars from the past and unfulfilled dreams. While he aims to watch every movie in the world, she struggles to find her place in cinema. Together, they inspire each other, but their past traumas and emotions push them apart. Despite the breakup, the love they share remains, challenging them to overcome the obstacles and find their way back to one another. This drama is an original Netflix production, with a premiere set for the 14th. Number 3. The Witch. A woman known as the Witch, famous for her mysterious and tragic fate, lives under the curse that every man who approaches her ends up facing misfortune. Since childhood, she has distanced herself from everyone to prevent the evil surrounding her from affecting them. Until one day, an old schoolmate decides to approach her, challenging the reputation she carries. Initially curious and skeptical about the curse, he soon begins to understand the pain she hides and the responsibility she feels for the misfortunes that befall everyone who crosses her path. But he chooses to risk everything to break the chain of bad luck and give her a chance to find happiness, even if it means defying death itself. Deep down, they are both searching for a way to save themselves, and maybe it is their love that can rewrite their destinies. This drama, an adaptation of a webtoon, is set to premiere on the 15th, with a platform yet to be confirmed. Number 2. My Dearest Nemesis. In drama, she never imagined that her first love, the one she met in an online game in the 2000s, would reappear in her life. Back then, he presented himself with a peculiar style and typical immature teenage behavior, which led to her rejecting his confession of love. Uncomfortable with his intensity, she decided to distance herself from him abruptly. What she saw as an embarrassing memory of her youth, for him, became a deep mark of bitter rejection. 16 years later, she finds herself face to face with him once again, but now as her boss and the heir to the department store where she leads the planning team. Although they try to leave the past behind, their unresolved feelings begin to create tension between them. This office romance, based on a webcomic, is set to premiere on the 17th, with a platform yet to be confirmed. Number 1. Undercover High School. After an incident that compromises his mission, an agent from the National Intelligence Agency is demoted and tasked with locating the missing gold of Emperor Gojong. To complete his assignment, he goes undercover as a student at a prestigious high school, keeping his identity a secret. At the school, he meets the history teacher, who begins to notice similarities between him and her first love, a painful memory from her past. As the mission progresses, he tries to maintain his composure, but the unresolved feelings between him and the teacher start complicating the situation. Which drama are you most excited for? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. See you next time.